What's up, guys? It's your boy Danny back with another video. Just doing a quick video, really. It's another controller unboxing. I just picked it up. The Nintendo Switch 2 Pro Controller. Now, I own the Switch 1 Pro Controller, and I love it, and it actually works just fine with the Switch 2. But I was at Target, and they actually had one in stock, and I was like, well, let's get it. And while I was there, currently, $39, Super Mario RPG. I have never played this game. I didn't even know this game existed until a few years ago when I saw Vinesauce playing it on stream. Apparently this was on Super Nintendo or N64, I forget which one. This was one of those games I never knew existed until only a few years ago. As well as Splatoon 3. Now, I've owned this before, but I did sell it on eBay in 2022 during my selling everything I own phase, just to have more money for other things. This was also $39 at Target. Target's got quite the sale going on right now because I would assume they're competing with the eShop. If you are a Nintendo Switch owner, chances are you know that the eShop currently has a massive sale on a lot of Nintendo titles. So, I could have probably got this on the eShop. I don't know if it's on sale, this Splatoon 3. But it's on sale at Target, so I'm just gonna open that real quick on video, and yeah, this the game on the inside. That's all you really get. So there's that. Also, they had some amiibo on clearance at Target, which I found fascinating. So I need my X-Acto knife, which hold on, I meant box cutter, not X-Acto knife. But yeah, let me slice that. And I don't think there's anything in here but the game as well. Most American or North American games don't come with any, don't come with any paperwork or anything extra. So there you go. Just a sort of a map of the RPG world. But you're here for this more than anything. But yeah, currently this week there is a pretty big sale at Target. Alright. Let's get this controller open. I'm excited to use it. David loves this controller. He's actually the one who sold me on this controller. Because I was just gonna stick, like I said, with the Gen 1 Pro controller. There's nothing wrong with mine. Mine's practically new. Because I treat my stuff very well, especially controllers. And let me just say, this controller is expensive, $84.99. So you get a USB-C to USB-A cable, and then the controller. That's really it. Ooh, put the trash there. Wow, look at that. Look at that. This is quite nice. Oh yeah. David was absolutely raving about the joysticks. Wow. Buttons feel good. The joysticks feel phenomenal. Very nice. Look at it go. Very nice. And it's got 2 buttons on the back. And yeah, they're in a great place. Ooh, yeah. Oh, I'm all about controllers. As you all know, I'm a controller player. Love it. Love it, love it. Always will be. And so I love premium controllers. And like I said, I wasn't going to buy this because I already have the Pro Controller from the Switch 1, but that's just a huge upgrade. That's very nice. I can't wait to play this in a little bit. So, currently watching Breaking Bad as I work on eBay stuff. Alright guys, that'll do it for this very short video. I need to go ahead and edit this video and the other controller video and have them both up. Yeah, if you haven't seen that one, it'll be up by the time this video's up. I unboxed the Genesis controller and the Nintendo Switch 2 GameCube controller. So, love this one. I used this one to beat Sonic the Hedgehog 2 last night on stream. I do stream on YouTube and Twitch and Kick, so feel free to follow me on any of those, or none of them, or all of them, whatever you want to do. Thank you all so much for watching. More to come. Stay tuned. I'm finally feeling better, and I'm glad I'm feeling better. So, health matters. Keep that in mind. Your health is the most important thing you can have in life. It's great to have all these material things like switches and games and controllers, but your health is what matters the most. It is, it's more important than wealth, believe it or not. So, thank you all so much for watching. More to come. Stay tuned. See you on the next one. Take care.